Hi, my name is Rudrash Mavankar. Welcome to Eduniverse. Now I am going to show that how trigonometric table is filled, and after that I am going to show you the tricks to remember with a short period of time. So let's begin. At this time, uh, as we know here that the vertical vertical column, as we are writing vertical column like uh, all trigonometric ratios like sine theta, okay, cos, tan, cosec theta, uh, sec theta, and and cot theta. Okay, okay, and here are degrees in horizontal. So, so how we will write and what type of numbers, what type of degree, in which degrees are most important for class 9th and 10th, and also in class 11th physics. So most of the degree are commonly and most frequently used are 0 degree, okay, 0. After that, after 0 there is 30 degree, after the 30 45 degree, then 60 and 90. Here we can remember like uh, 30 and double of 30 is 60, 45 double of 45 is 90. Okay, so as we all know that sine theta, okay, the sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, okay, and cos theta is also equal to 1 upon sec theta. As we know that sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and 1 upon cosec theta, and cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. And we also knew and we have studied in class 9 that tan theta is also equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. After this, we have not studied in 9, but students will study in class 10 that you can see cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, okay, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and and cot theta is equal to uh, reciprocal of tan theta, okay, in which we can write as uh, reciprocal means cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Using this certain uh, formulas of trigonometry, we will fill this trigonometric table. So as we know that uh, sine 0, sine 0 is always 0, okay, always 0, and sine 30 is 1 by 2, which is half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Okay, to remember these certain numbers of sine theta is, see, sine 0, see, once we learn to remember the single line, this only first line of sine theta, the ratios of sine theta, we will, I'll make sure that you will guarantee learn all these all the ratios and ratios of trigonometry. So see, our aim is to remember first horizontal of sin theta. Sin 0 is 0. always sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is half. Then after we reaches to 45, we have to put it root on its seat. For 0, after 0, half. After half, we have to put only a root to the number 2. After root, then root 60 is root 3 by 2. See, 2, 2, 2. And see, 0, 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay, after this, after writing 1, we will going to fill the rest of the trigonometric table. So now, what is cos theta? To fill cos theta, we have to write this whole horizontal line in opposite direction. So 0 we have to write over here, 0, 1 by 2 we have to write over 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2 is here 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Once we finish this filling table of cos, the tan, cosec, sec and cot is very easy. See, as we have learned irrational numbers and rational numbers, we know that when there is a when number is written in form of p upon q, and in which q is not equal to 0. When q is equal to 0, the number is not defined. So as we know that sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, we have sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So we will divide the numbers sin theta by cos theta. Okay, 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by 1 is 0. Okay, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. See, I will okay, calculate over here. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. This multiply this, and yeah, so it will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 upon root 3. So 2 get cancelled, 1 upon 2. So here 1 upon root 3 as well as 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2 will be equal to 1. So both will get divided by 1. Okay, and over here answer is root 3, and has the what do you say, as per the rule of maths, the denominator should not be equal to 0. So that 1 divided by 0 will be obviously not defined. Okay, number is not definable, and you know these not defined values are not given for the school levels exam. Maybe it may ask in competitive exams. Okay, yeah, we'll continue over here. The cos theta. Okay, cos theta, cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but a reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal of sin theta. So what is reciprocal of sin theta? Reciprocal of sin theta. See, if you do not know what to write over here and what is reciprocal, 0 is 0 upon 1, isn't it? It's 0. And if we write reciprocal of this, reciprocal of sin theta will be right as 1 upon 0, which is definitely not defined because the denominator is 0. So we will write here not defined. Okay, not defined. And unfortunately this reciprocal, and here root 2 upon root 3 1. Same this same as we have done for cosec, we can do like that only, or we can calculate and that. So we'll continue like this because we have to learn the tricks, not to remember whole, because see these proofs are not asked in exam, but the questions are asked in certain way that we have to know the ratios, and the point is to remember the numbers. So we will directly continue writing the shortcut method, which is 1 over here 1 over here, 2 upon root 3, root 2, here 2 over here, and not defined. So when not defined is divided by 1, is not defined, as we knew, because cot theta is equal to cosec upon sin, or 1 upon 10, as we usually write. 2, okay, so 2 upon 1 divided by 2 upon root 3. So we can write as 2 upon 1 multiplied by root 3 by 2, with 2 and 2 get cancelled. Root 3 is the answer, okay, so root 3 1, and over here 2 upon so yeah, continue here. So dividing root 2 upon root 3 divided by 2 upon 1, which is 2 upon root 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2, and 2 to get cancelled, 1 upon 3 the answer. So 2 upon 3, and okay, so 1 divided by not defined, 1 upon 1 divided by not defined. So not defined upon 1 we can write like this, okay, and see, not defined, 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1 upon not defined. So 1 upon not defined will be equal to 0, because the reciprocal of when denominator is 0, okay, when denominator is 0, it is equal to not defined, and the denominator is not defined, it is equal to 0. Same example of see, 0 is proportional, you can say 0 is equal to 1 upon nd, or nd is equal to 1 upon 0. The same as well, like see, we knew that 1 upon 0, when denominator is 0, it is the root has not defined, and obviously when we multiply 1 upon not defined is equal to 0, because 0 will be go over here and not defined will come over here. So answer is 0. Okay, so thank you very much. We will continue, and I'll bring you that trick. Now I'm just tell you that how it is filled around, and now I will give you a short trick in just 1 minute, and 1 minute you can remember this whole table, and you can write your paper very fast. Thank you very much. Let's continue with Eduniverse. Stay tuned with us, and yeah, thank you.